If you want your asphalt repair to be a good lasting one, then you have to make sure to prepare the ground well. So we used a leaf blower to remove any gravel, dirt, and chunks of asphalt that was coming detached. We're going to use the blower again later, but now we use the weed whacker to remove any dirt and grass and other growing things that are stuck in the cracks. We try not to go too crazy, but like with anything in life, the more effort we put into the prep, the better the result will be. So we go a few passes while looking for any gravel that lifts up. Now we have to cut down any growth coming through the cracks. I like to use a weed whacker so we can really get deep in there, and it will help clear the dirt and any other stuck things. You should also use some kind of weed killer so it's harder for stuff to grow back. This one seems to have the best reviews on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Next we pull up any loose pieces of asphalt that is detached from the rest, and then we use the blower again to get the asphalt as clear as can be. And then a final walkthrough to make sure we didn't forget anything. And now we're ready for the repair. That video should be out shortly. Please subscribe to get updated, to get the notification of the next video, and on many more important videos, such as relaxing with a scythe chop of the weeds outside. Thank you for watching.